All right, okay. Now we'll be continue with Igbo classes. For now, we are looking at okay, ịzụ na ire ahịa n'Igbo. Ịzụ na ire ahịa n'Igbo, which is buying and selling in Igbo. Yes, as you may have known, Igbo people are known for buying and selling. Very important in our life. So you look at how we take conversation while we buy and sell. Okay, now we are going to look at nkọwa ịzụ na ire ahịa n'Igbo. That is the definition of buying and selling in Igbo language. Ịzụ ahịa bụ mmadụ iji ego gaa zụta ihe ọ chọrọ. That is, buying is the act of getting what one needs with money. Now let's look at the things that money can buy. We have osikapa, which is rice, as you can see there. We have agwa, which is beans. We have akwụkwọ, which is book. We have oche, you can see it in English there. Oche. We have radio. We have uwe, onyonyo, ụgbọala, igwe, ọgbatumtum, and so on and so forth. We have so many of them. Na ire ahịa bụ mmadụ iji ego gbanwere ihe oriri ma ọ bụ ngwaahịa o nwere. Like selling is exchanging one's food stuff or goods for money. Okay? Ihe ndị dị mkpa maka ịzụ na ire ahịa. That is important terms in buying and selling in Igbo. Important terms, yes. Very, very important. Things, key words that you have to know if you really want to buy and sell in Igbo language. So that is what we are going to be discussing. The key words, the important terms that we are going to be using. Number one is Ozu. Ozu. Number one, I'll come. Number one is I'll come. Number one is Ozu. You don't call it Ozu, you call it Ozu Ahia. Ozu. Don't call it Ozu, you call it Ozu Ahia, which is buyer. You can see it in English there. Alright, the second one is Ore Ahia, which is seller. The third one is Onye Ahia, customer. The fifth one is Ngwa Ahia, which is what? Goods. Ihe Ahia, which is item for sale. The sixth one is Ego Ole, which is how much. The seventh one is Uru, which is gain. The next one is Iko, Isu Ahia, Izu Ahia, okay, which is what? Okay, loss. Alright, Izu Ahia, which is loss. Okay, the next one is Okono, which means too costly or too expensive. Mmezi, the next one, Mmezi, which means bonus. You want to ask somebody to add bonus for you or put jara for you. Is it what? Mmezi in Igbo. Ezi ono, which is last price. These are the terms you have to know for you to do your business very well in Igbo language. All right. Let's look at this conversation that we had here, that was written here for you to understand more. It's between Ozu Ahia and the Ore Ahia. That is between the person that is buying. Ozu Ahia means the person that is buying. Ore ahia means the person that is selling. The conversation is between two of them. Alright, we have ozu ahia, which is, okay, let's say, Nnenna irewela. You see the English translation there, I will not be saying it. Nnenna irewela. Onye ahịa m ịbịala. Ị nwere osikapa? As do you have rice? Ọ dị ya. Say yes. Ọ dị ya means yes. Ị chọrọ nke a na-ama ama ka ọ bụ n'akpa? See the English translation there. Achọrọ m ya n'akpa. I want it in bag. Ole, say how many? Otu, ego ole? One, how much? Okay. Puku narị itoolu na naira na narị naira ise. That is puku narị itoolu. That is the price. Is puku narị itoolu na narị naira ise. Okay. Ọ dị oke ọnụ. Say it is too expensive. Ha tinyere ego na ya. You can see the English translation there. Ọ bụ ezi ọnụ ya. Ngwa weta puku itoolu na narị naira anọ. Mba, hapụ ya. No, leave it. Manyere m iko iri. Give me 10 cups. Ego ole? I say how much? Otu puku naira, which is 1,000. Manyewe. So this is the translation there. So you can repeat this video for maximum understanding. Okay. This is where we'll stop for now.